Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily add bio to your Facebook page. So for doing this you just need to log in into your account on Facebook. After doing this you just need to click here on the left side, and here you will see your profile, and you just need to click edit profile here, and after doing this you will see edit bio. Here you can add 101 characters to describe yourself. After doing this, for example, I will enter best and click save. After you add some text, you just need to click save and your bio will be saved. So now you can just close it and you successfully edit your bio. And if now I click about, it will be added somewhere to my bio. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.